How to switch Roblox account on PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can switch between accounts in Roblox on your PC. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step that you'll need to take is open up your Roblox. Make sure you're logged in into one account already. After you logged in here, what you'll then need to do is to switch account, head over to the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right corner. Tap on it and there you'll find an option that says switch accounts. Tap on that. And from here, you can simply add another account that you want to switch between. So add an account and then you can simply switch between multiple accounts from here. And it's that simple. The other thing that you can do to prevent to simply stop switching from the settings right here is download the Roblox web version, and you can simply log in into Roblox uh, right here in one account, and you can keep on using the other account from the web browser. And doing that will you can simply be able to use multiple accounts smoothly and switch between them as well. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.